Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the 3D filter trend on TikTok. Okay, for that you need one app called CapCut, and once you have the app installed, just open the app. This is the app CapCut. Okay, and start a new project. Okay, and you have to go to photos and choose some photos. Okay, I'm selecting these 4 photos. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see bottom right corner, you will see add. Just tap there. Okay, now just select the picture. Now at bottom just slide until you see style and tap on style. Okay, you have 2 options here, 3D Zoom Pro and 3D Zoom. Choose any of them. I'll be choosing 3D Zoom Pro. Okay, and give it some time. I'm doing it in landscape photos. You can do it in portrait photos. It will be more good there with portrait photos. Okay, now select the second picture. I can apply the 3D Zoom Pro. I don't know, something happened. Let me apply it again. Okay, by the way, if you are not getting the effect and getting internet error, you can use a VPN, probably USA server or UK server. Now third picture. My internet is little slow, or otherwise you will get more speed. Okay, just pair it. Okay, the last one. Okay, once all done, on the bottom right corner of the screen you will see this done button. Just tap there. Okay, now let's play it. Okay, this is the effect. Not bad. For so much less work, so nice result. Okay, this CapCut is awesome. Okay, so this is your video after the editing. Now on the top right corner of the screen you will see this download button. Just tap there. Okay, wait for the export to ready. Okay, and now you can directly share it to TikTok. Wait for it. Okay, hit the next button. Want to add some music, you can do it here, and once you are done, hit the next button and you are ready to share it to your TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this 3D filter thing on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.